Time to make lunch. Today, request from the littles, actually Leah, spaghetti. And this is gonna be the most basic, easiest, fastest spaghetti I've ever made. Ground beef, onion. You don't even need the garlic. I'm gonna use the garlic anyways because we have a bunch and it's gonna make it taste better. And bottled sauce. Normally I try to do this from scratch or have canned tomatoes. Also optional, but this brings a little bit more depth to the flavor of the pasta sauce because normally I'm using beef stock. But because I want to make this a fast pasta and I don't want to bother with hours and hours of cooking, we're going to do the short version. So we usually use either olive oil or avocado oil. But when I went to go grab the avocado oil, it was gone. So I'm going to fill it up. This is the stuff we buy just from Costco. It's really well priced. The reason I use avocado oil versus olive oil is because it's got a higher smoke point. And when I cook this ground beef, I really want to sear it or at least caramelize it to get some of the flavor out of there. So that's why I've been using avocado oil way more, even for something like an Italian dish, or I don't know if they do ground beef pasta in Italy. I've already had the pan on the stove for a while now. So we'll crank up the heat. Come on. 75-25 ground beef, so lots of fat in it. Salt, pepper, just gonna press the garlic right on top of this meat. My favorite way to add garlic these days, more than slicing. Super convenient. You gotta get yourself one of these garlic pressers for sure. I'm not really measuring anything today. I'm just kind of throwing this together. I've been loving these potato smashers to just really grind up the ground beef even more. There we go. Oh yeah. Cut this onion. Whenever I use onions, you just get rid of the top layer, unless it's easy to peel like today, which it is. Okay. Easiest way to mince onions, take a half an onion with the root still on it, do these lengthwise cuts, turn it, go nice and slow, got yourself a nice small dice, or almost like a mince. Don't have to be fast or fancy at all. Especially with a quick sauce, I'm trying to really get this as small as possible because I'm not going to caramelize this like I normally would. Just want the flavor. I think with this one. All I'm going to do here is actually move it. See that browning? That's what I'm going for. That is just extra flavor. Now, if I was making this proper, I would actually remove all this meat out of the pan, but I'm trying to be quick with it. Put the onions right in there, like that. Swap these onions just for a hot second, not too long. Clean as you go. And that's going. Pasta going. I've already put salt in there. All that in. Deglaze the pan with some white wine. Remember, this is on a high heat. Better than bouillon, just a tiny little bit. Not too much at all. Water. Move this thing up. Browse. Get all that goodness. A little salt, tiny bit of MSG. taste, girls? Is it really hot?
It's a little bit hot. But it's good.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Does it need anything else?
Yeah.
Okay, good. You always put a bowl outside for the littles. There we go. And it's cold outside, so it's perfect just to cool it down because it's blazing hot right now. Leah insists on having a big bowl. Bella will get a small bowl. Big bowl?
Yeah.
You're gonna handle that?
Yeah.
Alright.
And Mommy doing that to me. There's right here if you want. Oh.
You want extra sauce, baby?
No.
You want extra meat sauce, or do you like it like that?
Oh,
You probably need a fork, girl. Here, let me get you a fork.
Just keep it in there.
You can use a fork and see, watch. I'm gonna show you a little trick. You take your spoon, put your fork on it, and then watch. You twirl it on the spoon.
I don't want it.
And then there you go.
I don't want to do this.
Okay. Here, I'll do it for you. Do you want extra sauce?
Yeah, a little bit. Not too much. Mommy, I got you. Mommy, I can't have you with my now. Daddy,
Yes.
Mama,
She wants Parmesan?
yeah,
Oh, okay, yeah, we'll get a Parmesan. Lots of Parmesan. Basic pasta. It's quick, but doesn't skimp out on flavor.
It's like a mountain of
Yeah. You know, the thing is, it melts and it kind of disappears almost.
yeah, it just like disintegrates. But you can still taste it, right?
That is
Really good.
very good.